I am going to do a review of the Fade Guide Self-Cutting Guide. It is supposed to help you achieve a drop fade, but it works for any type of fade. I'll start by placing the fade guide around my client's head and balding the fade line all the way to the bottom of the guide. Then I will adjust it again, pull it up, and use my open guard along with my open clipper. I have the clippers all the way open so that it's not completely bald, but as low as it can get without being bald. Okay, this creates the first line. Move it up a little further to create our second line, and then use the half guard, bringing that all the way up. Now you see a very light line at the bottom. We're going to eventually fade that out. Remove all that hair. With the open zero hair clipper, we'll blend it out. What you want to do here is get rid of that line between the bald and the half guard guideline that we put in earlier. Here. You just want to make sure you get rid of that line between the bald and the first half guard line. Now that this is done, we'll take the one guard and remove the bulk for the rest of the fade. Now that all the bulk is removed, we'll take the half guard again and blend that up. We don't really need the fade guide for this because you've already created your fade guidelines with the fade guide. You just want to slowly blend the hair up. Make sure you're pulling your clipper all the way through, not just nipping it. The video is sped up, but I am flicking the clippers all the way through. Just blend out that line completely. You can brush the comb down at this time. After all that, we lined up my client. You can see the drop fade all the way around, looking nice. Shout out to Fade Guide. It's very easy to use and helped us with this drop fade today.